Hi friends, welcome to Yuvaguru English Theory Lectures. We have solved separate case studies and various examples in the problem part separately. So let's focus on theory. Okay, so what are we doing right now in this subject? The topic for today is subject and predicate. Okay, this comes under the sentence part. So I am talking means what? There are two parts in this. I and talking means we name somebody and we tell what that guy is doing, right? You are watching means again two parts, you and watching. He is walking, he and walking means there is some hero in the film and what that hero is doing, that is the second part. So always remember two parts, hero and what that hero is doing, hero or heroine, whatever it is. So when we make a sentence, we name some person or a thing, right? Hero, and say something about that person or a thing, what that guy is doing. In other words, we must have a subject. Now that hero is called a subject to speak about, and we must say a predicate or predicate something about that subject. Means what? We must say something about that guy, whatever he is dancing, sleeping, whatever he is doing. So that is a predicate. Means sentence always has two parts. Hence every sentence has two parts. The part which names the person or a thing we are speaking about, this part is called as subject of the sentence. The part which tells something about the subject, this part is called as predicate of the sentence. Okay, remember subject, predicate, important parts. So in all the sentences we have said by now, he is walking, I am talking, I, he, they come first. So the subject of a sentence usually comes first, but occasionally it is put after the predicate also. Means see this, sometimes it is first, sometimes it is later. 90% it's first, so that is called as active voice, and when it is later it's called as passive voice. We'll come to that later also. So see this, here comes the bus. Bus is a subject, it is afterwards. So this is sometimes. If you want to make the active bus, then active sentence, then what will it be? The bus has come, right? And this is passive. Predicate first, active subject later. Sweet are the uses of adversity. So adversity is the subject and sweet are the uses is the predicate. So this is again a passive one. How can you make this active or reverse this, make subject first? So it will be the uses of adversity are sweet, right? Okay. Now in some sentences like imperative sentences, the subject is left out. Imperative means what? The subject is understood. Suppose if I tell you sit down, then it means that, see this, sit down, yeah. Here is the subject, you is understood, means I am telling you only. I can tell to someone else who is outside my eyesight to sit down, right? So these are called as imperative sentences. Thank him. So here to subject you is understood, means you should thank him. Okay, you sit down. So every time saying you is not correct. Or let's take few more examples. Stop crying means what? You stop crying. Go to hell. You go to hell. These are the imperative sentences. Let's take few examples. Here we have solved the examples in deep, tougher ones also in the practical problems. These are only theory. Just to give you a hint, we are solving these examples. So first, the cackling of geese saved Rome. So what is the subject and predicate? We have to separate subject and predicate over here. Try to find out the hero, and what he did is separate. Saved is something which the cackling of geese has done. So hero is the cackling of geese, and predicate is saved Rome. So subject this, predicate this. The boy stood on the burning deck. Who is the hero? The boy. So what did he do? Stood on the burning deck. That is a predicate. So subject means some hero, and predicate means what it tells about that hero. Tubal Cain was a man of might. So who is the hero? Tubal Cain. Okay. So that is a subject, and this remaining is a predicate. Stone walls do not make a prison. So who is the subject? Who is the hero over here? Stone walls. And what do they do? Do not make the prison. So that is a predicate. Stone wall subject, do not make a prison, predicate. The singing of birds delights us. Who is the hero? Singing of birds. And what do they do? Delights us. So that is a predicate. So that was it about subject and predicate theory. Problems or examples we have solved in Yuvaguru English. Problems or practical videos. You can download this app, Yuvaguru Maths, Yuvaguru English app from Play Store, and get the videos, tests, question banks with examples directly on your mobile. You can get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Remember, these theory as well as the practical examples are useful for CBSE, ICSE, state boards across India and outside India as well. Anyone who deals in English or wants to learn English has to should download this app and learn the English, learn English basically. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.